So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, click the bell icon, and like the video. Today I will show how to do cinematic editing and cinematic color grading just in Kinemaster. So you will need a premium Kinemaster for this, so you can download by watching this video. I will leave this link in description, or you can see the link flashing up there. This is before the video is edited. The stock video is from Pexels and it's free. This is after. So let's begin. Open Kinemaster, click on New Project, and select 16:9 ratio, and import the video clip, which you want to edit. Now zoom the clip and split at the point of jump cut. Do it precise and perfect, because we need to do the transition clean. Now split the part and zoom out the clip. Now we should add a classy transition, which should not look odd. And click on plus, scroll down and click classic transitions. They're already available in transition section. And select crossfade. Now set the transition speed at 0.7. Click done and check if the transition is smooth or not. Yes, it is smooth. Now we need to add music. You can add no copyright music. You can download it from YouTube. If you want the music which I used, then I'll give the link in the description. You can download it from there. After adding music, you need to make the video clip bounce or zoom according to the beat. Search for the beats in the music. Beats differ in every music. So mark the points where beat starts and ends. You need to be precise with the points to get perfect bounce. And split at the points to make them bounce according to the beat. You just need to follow my steps. Settings may be different, but steps will be the same for every video. After splitting the clip, just click the clip and go to zoom option and zoom a little and click equal icon to maintain the zoom till end. Then split the clip into equal halves at equal center and do the same with the other half. Clip, zoom a little like before. Just repeat the same as you did before. Once you done that, check if the bounce is in sync according to the beat. Yes, it is in sync. Now we need to add cinematic opening frames to the clip. So go to layers, click stickers, and select cinematic opening. If you haven't downloaded it, then come back, go to store. Then scroll down and click on sticker section and click on frames category, scroll down and look for cinematic opening. Once you found it, open it and install it. Once you installed, come back and then click on layers, go back to the stickers and select cinematic opening second frame and extend it till the end to cover the entire video. After extension, come back and now we need to do color grade, so click on the clip and scroll down the settings and click on color filter, go to cold section and click on CO5 and again scroll down and click on apply to all, then it will be applied to every clip. After color grading, click on settings, go to video and turn on the fade out option. After turning on, set the fade out to 0.75 and done. Now play the video.